In this video, I want to explore who should not practice Qi Gong. So I usually encourage everybody to get involved with it, but there's a few cases where you shouldn't really be practicing Qi Gong. So let's look into that a little bit deeper. So most people can practice Qi Gong safely, but some individuals may need to take extra care or seek guidance from the beginning. If you have a serious medical condition, are recovering from surgery, or are experiencing ongoing pain, it is important to check with a healthcare professional before starting. Qi Gong is a gentle, but your body may still need specific support. People who feel very unwell, extremely fatigued, or emotionally overwhelmed may also benefit from starting slowly or practicing with guidance. Qi Gong is not about pushing through discomfort. It's about listening to your body and adapting the practice to meet your current state. With the right approach, it can be safe and supportive for most people. So that's important. Those words there are most important. With the right approach, this can be safe and it can be working and supportive for you. But I say to people in the class, especially when they've got pains in the body, if they're really sharp pains, stop immediately. Stop immediately. With the Bright Beings Academy, we do produce a booklet where members get the booklet and they can see the healing signs that happen with Qi Gong. And it's really your body is your guide, as I said earlier in that praise, the text. Your body's your guide to tell you how this works, how your body works. So that's important for you to do that, for you to listen to your body. So most people can practice Qi Gong, but some people really need to take care if they do have conditions that may be aggravated by the practice. But mainly it's soft and gentle. There's a few energetic movements to get the energy flowing through the body that we use in my Qi Gong classes. So what do you do if you want to get a little bit deeper with me? Let's have a look at that. So what you can do is you go to click the link underneath this video, around this video, and you go to you can find this area of this page, and it'll be Qi Gong for Beginners. It is the complete guide to energy, health, and inner balance. It tells you all about Qi Gong. And there's other links there that will go into the history of Qi Gong if you're interested in that. The other article I've got listed there is the healing power of Qi Gong. It shows you how modern science and ancient philosophy from this Qi Gong practice actually is starting to match up now. A good example of that is having a cool head and a warm belly. We call that in our practice water up, fire down. That's how it works. I also run live online classes on Thursday evening and a Sunday morning where you can get involved with that. The UK time is 7 p.m. in the evening on Thursdays, 11 a.m. Sundays. Got people tuning in from Canada, New Zealand, America, Europe, all over the world. It's the International Academy. So you can start your practice and you will have a structure to it then. If you have a structured way of doing this, you'll be doing it every week and you'll feel the benefits much quicker. So that's who should be practicing Qi Gong, who shouldn't be practicing Qi Gong. Really, it's down to you. But if you do have ailments that you're having to take care of, be very careful with them. There's another video coming now that you can watch that answers more questions on Qi Gong. And I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.